Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word daylight. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The room was flooded with bright daylight streaming in through the windows. Daylight refers to the natural light of the sun during the day, illuminating the surroundings and providing visibility without the need for artificial lighting. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.